let me tell you one more aspect. Effort lost in overcoming machine friction. Why I am telling all these terms? Kahi mu kochi? Because in solving our problem we will face this kind of terms. ये term गुड़ा हमें जानी थिले problem टा easily करी परिबु. नहले हमें problem करी परिबु नहीं. तो ये term गुड़ा हमें जानिबा दरकार. कौन? Effort lost in overcoming machine friction. See, effort lost in overcoming machine friction माने machine रे थिया friction को आमे overcome करिया पई कि machine रे थिया friction को डेई की आ जीवा पई हमको केति की minimum effort दबा को पडुची सेटा को आमे बात करबा. See, suppose P is the effort to lift a load. आमे P टा केति की effort दोची and P dash is C considering friction and P dash is effort to lift that load without considering friction. Clear? माने फ्रिक्शन थिला बेले हमको केते एफर्ट दबा को पडुची आ फ्रिक्शन नथिला बेले केते एफर्ट दबा पडुची. ऑब्वियसली हमें एथुरु जानि जिवु जे जेतले फ्रिक्शन थिबो सेतले हमको अधिक एफर्ट दबा पडिबो, जेतले फ्रिक्शन नथिबो हमको कम एफर्ट दबा पडिबो. ता माने केते फ्रिक्शन हमर लॉस हैला, केते एफर्ट लॉस हैला ओवरकमिंग फ्रिक्शन. सो P minus P dash is the effort lost in overcoming friction. Let me tell you more succinctly to भलो से तुमको कहूची देखो. जत्ते बड़े मशीन रे फ्रिक्शन थिबो ऑब्वियसली से फ्रिक्शन को ओवरकम करके फ्रिक्शन को आगे की आमे जो काम करिबु सेत पय हमको बेसी एफर्ट दरकार. जो मशीन रे फ्रिक्शन जमा नथिबो स्मूथ मशीन हेतिबो हमको कम एफर्ट दरकार. मैनुअल एफर्ट कि इनपुट जिंस हमको कौन दरकार. तो सेति पई P dash is small, P is more. तो P minus P dash is the effort lost in overcoming friction. माने केति की एफर्ट हमरो फ्रिक्शन को ओवरकम करिया पई वेस्ट कराय छी, वेस्टेज हे छी, that is P minus P dash. Okay, let me tell you. See what happens here. We know our efficiency is MA by VR. Clear? जेते बेले हमर एफिशिएंसी टा 1 हबो माने आइडियल मशीन जो मशीन रे हमर फ्रिक्शन नथिबो सेतले एफिशिएंसी कोन हेबो. जो मशीन रे हमर फ्रिक्शन नथिबो when in ideal machine our efficiency is 1, that is MA by VR implies that MA is equal to VR. Clear? माने जो मशीन रे हमें फ्रिक्शन को कंसीडर करू नाही, जो मशीन रे फ्रिक्शन नाही से जगह एफिशिएंसी टा हमर 1 हे जिवो 100%. आउटपुट इज इक्वल टू इनपुट. MA is equal to VR. That is implies that W by P is equal to VR. Implies that P is equal to W by VR. P is equal to W by VR. And in case of our machine which is not having or not considering, without considering the friction friction को जदि हमें कंसीडर न करिबु से केस रे हमें एफर्ट केतोल देबु सेतोले एफर्ट केते हेबो, that is P dash will be equal to W by VR. This is the P considering friction and this P dash is without considering friction. So here from this relation we have finally found out P dash is equal to W by VR without considering friction. So we know P minus P dash is means effort lost in overcoming friction. F is friction. So P minus P dash, which I have told you earlier, P minus P dash is the effort lost in overcoming friction. That means P minus P dash is equal to P minus P dash जगह कौन लिखिबा W by V implies that effort means effort lost in overcoming friction is equal to P minus W by VR. This is a formula. We will need this formula in solving numerical problems in our next classes. But for this time, for today we are having a numerical problem just to reconnect, just to connect you with the concepts what we have studied. आज जहाँ हमें पढ़िलु सेटा को गोटे प्रॉब्लम सहित हमें केमती जोड़ी की केमती रिलेट करके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिवो हमें डिस्कस करिवो. So now let's move to a numerical problem. See, we have a problem what says the law of machine is given by the relation. Law of machine is given. It is P is equal to 0.04 W plus 7.5. P is equal to MW plus C. The law of machine हम कहते where P is the effort required to lift a load W in newtons. What is the mechanical advantage and efficiency of the machine? बाहर करिबु. When the load is 2 kilonewton and the velocity ratio is 40. Next, what is the maximum efficiency of the machine? मुझे discussion करची. Maximum efficiency of the machine is equal to 1 by m into velocity ratio. Okay. If F is the effort lost in friction, find the relation between F and W. Also find the value of F when W is 2 kilonewton. Okay. Let us solve the problem. What are the data given? Data सब कौन कौन देची? Law of machine is given 0.04 W plus 7.5, where M is equal to 0.04 and C is equal to 7.5, where P is the effort required if a load is W in Newton. What is the mechanical advantage and efficiency of the machine when the load is 2 kilonewton and velocity ratio is 40? Load is given 2 kilonewton and velocity ratio is also given, that is 40. Now we have to solve this problem. See, we know we have P is equal to M W plus C. Clear? M is given 0.04 into W is given 2 kilonewton, that is 2000 Newton, plus C is 7.5 and the answer is coming out to be 87.5 Newton. Clear? Law of machine satisfied. Find out what is the mechanical advantage. We know mechanical advantage is equal to W by P. Already हम कहिछु तो W हमर केते देछि 2 kilonewton, that is 2000 Newton, and P is here 87.5, and the answer is coming out to be 22.9. Clear? One answer. Then what is the mechanical advantage and efficiency of the machine? And efficiency of the machine we know that is MA by velocity ratio. Mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio. Mechanical advantage is came out to be 22.9 divided by velocity ratio is given, that is 40, and the answer is 0.5725. 0.5725, that is 57.25%. I have already told you efficiency is always expressed in terms of percentage. Clear? Now see what is the minimum efficiency, what is the maximum efficiency of the machine. See, maximum efficiency of the machine, efficiency maximum I have told you that is 1 by m into velocity ratio. See, 1 by m is 0.04 into velocity ratio is 40, that will become 0.625, that is 62.5%. This is another answer. Clear? And what is the maximum efficiency of the machine? If F is the effort lost in friction, find the relation between F and W. Also find the value of F when W is 2 kilonewton. Okay, let me tell you. Effort lost in friction. बाहर करथिली effort lost in friction is mathematical expression को बाहर करथिली कि नहीं, that is P minus W by V. You see we have 0.04 W plus 7.5 P जो लॉक मशीन जोटा लॉक मशीन P is the लॉक मशीन 0.04 W plus 7.5 minus W by V dot R. So after solving it we have W taking common, we have 0.04 minus 1 by VR plus 7.5, that is W 0.04 minus 1 by 40 plus 7.5, that is the answer will be 0.015. This value is coming out to be 0.015 W plus 7.5. So effort is coming out to be this much. This is the relation between frictional force, which is the effort which is required to overcome friction, and with relation to load lifted. See, and what is asked, also find the value of frictional force when W is 2 kilonewton. ଯେତେବେଳେ weight ଟା 2 kilonewton थिबो सेतेବେଳେ केते effort loss होची friction ପାଇଁ. By putting this value of W is 2 kilonewton given. So effort will be when W is equal to 2 kilonewton will be 0.015 into 2000 plus 7. सो आम एठू कौन जानिलु जे 37.5 न्यूटन ऑफ एफर्ट इज बीइंग लॉस्ट टू ओवरकम द मशीन फ्रिक्शन व्हेन द लोड ऑफ 2 किलो न्यूटन इज टू बी लिफ्टेड जेते बेले ए लॉ ऑफ मशीन रे जेते आमे पुट करिवु हमको 2 किलो न्यूटन लोड लिफ्ट करिया पई फ्रिक्शन पई केवल केते 37.5 न्यूटन ऑफ एफर्ट लॉस होछ खाली so this is all about the problem which we have solved considering all the reversibility conditions and effort loss condition. Sir, now we'll move to our next slide that shows the key points of this class. See, we have the key points are machines having efficiency less than 50% is called self-locking machine and machines having more than 50% of efficiency is termed as reversible machine, which we have already discussed. And law of machine is P equals to mw dot c. This is the key points which we have discussed in this class. And finally we have important questions covered so far. What is reversibility? Already कही सारछि. What is self locking? Discussed. Give examples of self locking machines. In most of the cases the machines we are coming through, we are experiencing in our day to day life, most of the machines are self locking. ta mane ame effort ta को release कर सला परे भी automatically से लोड टा लोअर हो नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली लोड टा तळ को पळि आसु नहीं. मोस्टली आमे एनकाउंटर करूछु. And last one is what is the law of machine, that is P equals to mw plus c. So this is all about this class. I wish all of you to go through this class.